This is the quantum visualization method. Do this exercise every day for 28 days for maximum benefit. Expect almost instant results. Now, be sure not to drive or use sharp objects while you're listening to this program. While it is not hypnotic, it can put you into a deepened state of trance. Do not drive. The key to the quantum visualization meditation is to focus on one intention. You're simply going to focus on one intention for 28 days. You're going to do this exercise daily for maximum results. Know what you want and expect with absolute certainty that you have already received it. Find a safe spot now. Sit down, relax, or lie down. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. You want to make your breath in through your nose about 3 seconds and out through your mouth about 6 or 7 seconds. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Notice as you breathe deep, your body begins to relax. It begins to unwind. Your muscles begin to soften. And already you're feeling more in alignment with your deepest desire or intention. As you breathe in through your nose, focus on breathing in your desire, breathing in what you want to manifest. As you breathe out, feel that you are releasing all limiting beliefs. You are releasing all doubts and fears and anxieties. And you're feeling clear and clean. As you breathe in through your nose, you are drawing to you the vital energy that is helping you manifest exactly what you want. As you breathe out through your mouth, you are releasing any past pain, any fear, any doubts, any anxieties. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. While you're doing this short meditation, you may hear sounds. You may hear cars driving by, dogs barking, people's voices. It's okay. With every sound you hear, you become more relaxed and more focused on receiving exactly what you desire. Now, visualize a shower, a gentle shower of white light slowly descending on you and covering your entire body. Your entire energy field, your entire body, and even your mind are now filled with this life-giving, revitalizing, clear white light. As you feel this white light around you, or you visualize it in your mind, either one is fine. Breathe it in. Breathe in the light and notice how good your body feels. Notice how aligned your body feels with your desires with your intention, with one thing that you want right now. You feel a glowing, deep, profound, loving connection with this infinite light. This is the light of the quantum field. This is the light of the universes. This is the light within your mind that animates you. This is the light from which your desires, dreams, and goals are created. From the quantum field come infinite possibilities. Infinite possibilities in your life to be who you desire to be, to live the life you desire to live, to feel the way you desire to feel, to be loved by the person you desire to be loved by, to have the money and abundance that you desire to have in your life, to fulfill your physical dreams. But right now, focus on the one thing that you desire. It's absolutely amazing, and nobody knows for sure how this works. But everything that you desire deeply, profoundly, was put there by source energy. It's no accident that you have this deep, profound desire or wanting. It's there because it's your destiny to have it. And even what's more interesting is the desire you have already exists. It exists within the quantum field. And in a moment or two, it'll exist within your life because you will say it will. Receiving what you desire, what you want, the one thing, is an absolute certainty if you are absolutely certain about it. What you deeply want already exists. And you simply decide once and for all, right now, that you are in alignment with it, that you will remain in alignment with it, and that it, whatever it is already yours. Say these words in your mind and feel them reverberate through your body and through the universe. I am now receiving my deepest desire. What I desire has already come to me. I have released all my worries, all my doubts, all my fears, all my limiting beliefs. At this moment, knowing that you have received what you deeply want, you feel a sense of calm come over your life. Not just over your body, not just over your mind, over your entire life. Calm stands for creative, alive, living mind. You are a creative, alive, living mind. And whatever you choose to align with is already yours. You are calm. Within the quantum universe, all things are possible. 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 Feel everything coming together for you, coming together right now, at this moment. What you want, what you desire, is present now in your life. You are no longer trying. You don't need to go faster. You don't need to go higher or lower. You're already there. You are no longer chasing. You are calm, a creative, alive, living mind. You are the mind of your reality. Your mind has no limits and it has no boundaries. You are co-creator of your reality. Now, at this moment, you are opening up. You are opening like a beautiful rose opens. And you are receiving. You are receiving the vital energy of the universe, the quantum field. You are receiving the inspiration to be in alignment with what you desire. But more importantly, what you are receiving is what you want, and it's already yours. Take a moment or two to relax and just think about your desire, now a part of your life. Think about it for a moment or two. And then remember to do this exercise again tomorrow.